Hi everybody, Chuck and Glenn from the Lighting Lab.
Yep.
And guess what we're going to talk about today? Downlights. Now I know you're going to say, oh, not again. Guys, this is the year of the downlight. And let me tell you why. Everybody can put an uplight in. Anybody can do it. But downlighting is the ticket. Wouldn't you agree?
It's the year of the downlight.
It is a year of the downlight, and we've got lots of choices. Downlighting provides an effect that most guys can't do, won't get up in the trees, won't get up on structures to do it, but we've got all the trick stuff to do it with. And today we're going to talk about something that was a little mistake of mine. We've got plenty of them on the shelf.
We do.
But we're going to run a special. And we like this light a lot. Give them the information.
We do. Okay, look, it's FX, which by itself, you know, means quality, okay? Solid brass. Now here's the ticket to this. Because of the weight of a downlight, being up in a tree and the trees are swaying, they make the base cast, but the shroud is spun to save a little weight out here on the hanging. Now it's got the ball and socket type adjuster, so you can, this thing, as Chuck would say, pivot all around. Another cool feature, the top of this is threaded, okay? It's not a press on, so your seal is gonna be how good?
The best. That's
best.
A CNC machine threaded base.
Right.
Very trick.
So it threads on, it's never gonna pull apart, temperature, things expand and contract, solid, 25-foot lead, takes an MR16 flat lens, no light distortion on a convex lens. Some people like them, some people don't, but awesome, and we're gonna run a special.
We are. Oh, by the way, that comes with the 3-hole canopy and the orbital base, which makes it pretty nearly infinite adjustment.
Right.
So
Right.
here's a special, and this is a $75 light, $59. Guys, get some. At least get a couple and play around with it. Put them in, try it. This time of the year when it's a little bit slow is a great opportunity for you guys to play with your technique on downlighting. Play with the different lamp choices and find out what works best for you.
Guys, the grandfather of lighting ordered 90 by mistake, and they shipped them, so we got them. All right? When they're gone, when we get down to 20,
Yeah,
sales
happy.
over. Yeah.
But,
All right?
But it's a very good light. It really is a very good light.
Right. Give it a shot.
Call us first. Thank you.